this video, we are going to have a look at the axial skeleton. Now remember, the axial skeleton consists of the skull, the vertebral column, and the rib cage. So there are three components to the axial skeleton. Let's start off by looking at the skull first. Here, in my hand, I have the skull. So we've got the bones of the cranium, then we've got the facial bones as well. So first of all, let's have a look at the bones of the face. So when we look at the face bones, we've got the nasal bone here, which is going to form our nose. Then on either side, we've got the paired cheekbones. These are called the zygomatic bones. We have the upper jaw bone, which is the maxilla. Then we have the lower jaw bone, which is the mandible. Now the mandible is quite a large bone, as you can see. Now if I turn it around slightly, you can see there's like a bar-like plate which comes up. And this bar-like plate which comes up on either side is called the mandibular condyle. Now this mandibular condyle is very important because it forms a joint with one of the skull or the cranial bones, the temporal bone, to form the temporomandibular joint. And it is this joint which allows us to open and close our mouth and allows us to chew our food and obviously to speak as well. In the skull, we only have one movable joint, and this is it, the temporomandibular joint. We'll have a look at it more closely a little bit later.